I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have both saber halves, the cylindrical coupler, and identical emitter assemblies. Once done, inspect threads and alignment flats so both blades will seat straight. This prevents binding later. Make sure the power cell is charged and the switch assembly fits the slot. You will prepare tools: a T10 driver, 5 mm hex, soldering iron, and multimeter. Now position both halves on a clean surface and lay out wiring so you can join the coupler without pinching or twisting conductors. You route the positive and negative leads through the central coupler, keeping wires loose enough to rotate but snug to prevent chafing. Once routed, tin and solder each connection. Make sure polarity matches the LED driver and battery, because reversing will prevent ignition or damage components. After soldering, apply short heat shrink tubing and gently tug to confirm mechanical strength. Seat each emitter board flush against its shoulder. Then use small screws or 3M tape to hold it. Finally, test continuity and switch operation before final joining. You now mate the two hilt halves through the coupler, aligning flats and markers so blades sit perfectly in line. Thread by hand until snug and then give a light final turn. Power the cell and perform 3 ignition cycles, listening for consistent startup and watching for flicker or uneven brightness. If blades misalign or flicker, power down and reopen. Most issues are cold solder joints, swapped polarity, or a pinched wire shorting to the shell. Make corrections, reseal, and retest until operation is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.